What's up, guys? It's your boy Justin with an update to Dynago. So this is version 1.2. I've added an aimbot, so I'm just making a new video showing you how to configure it and stuff like that. There's a download link in the description, and yeah, let's get started. So the first change you'll see is that there's now a bones tab. Like, instead of offsets, it's values, and then there are two tabs inside of values, which are offsets and bones. So you're gonna want to click go and scrape both of those. So all of that should be good. In the aimbot tab, I'm going to enable control recoil right here. So this will build RCS into the aimbot. If you're using that, do not enable this RCS because they will fuck with each other. I'm going to use a 2.5 field of view and 6 smooth, and I'm going to set it to neck. Okay, for the trigger bot, I'm just going to enable it, mouse 5, and shoot enemies. And visuals, I'm going to have visible only on enemies and teammates, pink for enemies, and blue for teammates. And bhop enabled, no flash, 0. Okay, so when you open it, it's going to ask you to run as admin, whatever, close that. If you're not running CSGO or Steam as admin, you won't need to run the build as admin, so it just depends on that. By default, when you click yes from dynago, the client, it's going to tell you to run it as admin either way, but if it's just on your desktop and you're going to double click it, you only need to run it as admin if your CSGO is running as admin. And if you don't, then it's going to say like access denied. So that's how you'll know if you need to or not. But it's going to say CSGO found here in a second. And I'm going to join a bot game to test all the features and stuff. The aimbot can look pretty good if you configure correctly. I think 2.5 field of view is probably maybe a little on the high end if you're trying to play like really legit, and 6 smooth might be a little low. Like maybe go like 2 field of view and like 8 smooth. Should look pretty damn legit. And yeah, you'll be good to go. So let me just run a bot game real quick and I'll test the features and stuff. Also, if you're currently using version 1.2 and it says it at the top of the client, you can download the new version in the description. When you press the download button on the website, it automatically downloads the newest version. Okay, so enemies are pink, so that works. I'm going to trigger bot those guys. Trigger bot works. That's nothing new. Add some teammates real quick. You can see that they're blue. And before you ask, do a little aimbot. So as you can see, the legit bot is working. Trigger bot works as well. And yeah, everything works well. I'm gonna bhop a little bit too. And test the no flash. Yep, so everything works. I know some people are getting errors with RCS. It might happen in the aimbot too, let me know, but everything works fine for me, so I wasn't able to replicate the error that somebody said they were getting either. Down link is in the description, and it is still free and undetected. Enjoy.